I'm Sean with Royal Palm Aluminum. Importance of impact glass and impact windows and doors in your home. Fenestration in your home meets several very important aspects, from the aesthetic design, their color, the way they look, the way they operate, the way they make your home get tied together, to their physical importance, from an energy barrier from your home from the inside to the outside, sound reduction coming inside to outside, and engineering requirements to satisfy the structural integrity of your home. When it comes to impact glass, I'm holding a sample here, with its at least 2 layers of glass and a polyvinyl butyral interlayer or some other proprietary brand, you get something more. You get impact protection. Glass is a wonderful material. It's transparent so that you could let in light and be able to see the outside in addition to its normal functionality. But with impact glass, when a projectile impacts the glass, it has a wonderful property of holding together. Now, for a hurricane, or in some circumstances just other bad weather, or an intruder, when a projectile impacts the glass, you'll get cracks. It'll spiderweb through the glass on one or both layers. But the laminate will hold it together, and through that process, preserve the air integrity of that opening, not allowing a sudden gust of wind to rush into your home from that now open hole and rip off your roof, as happened so frequently in 1992 in Hurricane Andrew.